Today I will show you how to remove watermark from photos. If you are one of those people who like to use pictures without a copyright mark from a company or from a person, then this video is about you. You will learn how to remove the watermark and it will not be there or see it again. Before you start, I urge you to subscribe on our YouTube channel to get more videos. We will start by entering the Google Chrome browser and typing watermarkremover.io.
Music licensing reimagined.
And then click on the file. After opening it will bring you a view like this. You will go to the section labeled Upload Image and touch it to select the image you want to use to remove the watermark.
Music licensing reimagined.
Just like a seed in a garden, you will grow to be tall, staring out over miles of land without it, but wanting to build up walls. Lift me up in your branches, we can watch the sunrise, just to cover
Artlist.io.
souls that believe that it was worth one more try. With every star, we are born again. Open your heart and spend less time in your head.
Music licensing reimagined.
If you have uploaded an image online, you can paste the URL of your image. It says drop image anywhere.
Artlist.io.
Too many days in the darkness, without a glimpse of the light.
Artlist.io.
Running tired and broken and scared, but I swear I'll never give up the fight. I see you broken and beat, head pulled down over your eyes. Every part of you wants to surrender.
Music licensing reimagined.
To survive. With every star,